Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can set and start the cycle from your smartphone in LG washer dryer Vivace. So in the first step, open your device in the ThinQ application. Now you can select the program, the temperature, the rinse plus function. You can also manage the spin level. If you want to set the delay, you can do it here. But after that, you can also select the additional functions like a drying, pre-wash, and etc. And you can also manage the detergent level. If you want to change it, just click on it, and now you can turn it off, set to the minimum, medium, and maximum. And that's it. To start the process, click on the start button. That's it. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.